at the embedded world in Nuremberg. And this is hot stuff from the Yoshida report, hot stuff from the embedded world. I'm here at the Renesas booth with Johannes Gruber. He's a senior
business development manager.
He's a business development manager, and he's going to be talking to us about Renesas hot stuff that they're displaying at Embedded World 2025 in the. So Johannes, tell us, what is the hot stuff?
Yeah, thank you. So, basically anybody knows AI. It's a hot topic nowadays. But typically, if we talk about AI, we think about cloud, we think about big data center. But this wave is now swapping also to PCs, to smartphones, and also to embedded devices. And this we call endpoint AI. Okay? And the biggest challenge of endpoint AI is heat dissipation. To get it small, tiny, and affordable, you cannot go with a big fan or heatsink. And here we have the solution.
So, Johannes, before you go to the solution, I absolutely agree with you. Heat, energy management, great part of what you call endpoint AI.
Yes.
But some other companies call it AI at the edge. Is that the Renesas term, endpoint AI?
Basically similar. The edge is the corner of the network. So, and anything, if you do not transport the data into the cloud, this is then the same whether edge and gateway or it's endpoint. So we typically call it endpoint AI.
A lot of people gloss over the fact of the power management with regard to anything electronics, and you and I know that the power part is a huge portion. So you're coming out with the hot stuff from Renesas is to help manage the heat. Tell us why this is a problem, and tell us why this is the great solution that you've got.
So again, here we have a solution, our brand new RZV2N AI MPU launched today. And here, this MPU is using a so-called pruning technology. It's a unique technology which enables high AI performance. We're talking about 4 TOPS in dense mode or up to 15 TOPS in sparse mode. Sparse mode means using this pruning technology. And with this technology, we can get rid of a heatsink or a cooling fan. And this is unique on the market. And for embedded devices, if you have to go small, cheap, this is a solution.
Are you shipping now?
Sorry?
Are you shipping now?
Shipping from, basically it's in mass production. Press release was today, as mentioned, and official NPI from next week, Wednesday, 19th of March, next week.
What do you see as the direct and immediate applications? What are the immediate applications?
Good question. So here we have several demos. I cannot show all now. So here,
show us one.
For example, we have a demo using 2 MIPI CSI cameras. So then we are doing this typical image processing, including video codec H.265, including this high performance AI performance processing and streaming to the PC, anything in parallel without any heatsink. So this is a nice demo we have here, and this makes a difference. Other demos are using this UFP camera, like here, what we currently see here. This is boost estimation. This is just one application. This can be used for spot analysis, for fall detection, for security cameras, and so on. And typical application of this device is, for example, the dash cam, driver monitor systems, security cameras, any kind of mobile robot where we need a combination of vision and AI. for example, cleaning robot, lawn mover, and so on. These are typical applications and much more.
So just to wrap up, Johannes, anything else that's outstanding about this particular product?
This closes basically the gap between the previous generation and the high-end device, the V2H, which we launched last year, 1 year ago. And this is affordable here. So this is fitting to many embedded applications to make it cheaper without a heat sink, without a fan. And this is, let's say, a great product.
Excellent. So there you have it, guys. We are at the Renesas booth at Embedded World with Johannes Bucher, who has just showed us what's hot at Embedded World with Renesas. It's all about managing power, heat dissipation at the edge. Johannes, it's been a pleasure. Thank you for hosting.